Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. One of the easiest ways to get the most out of your Lendingclub accounts is by setting up direct deposits. Here's how to make sure that your paycheck goes straight in automatically. First step is to log into Lendingclub. So open the Lendingclub app or website and then sign into your account using your credentials. Next step is to find direct deposit info. Navigate to the account details or direct deposits. Here you're going to see your account number and routing number for your Lendingclub checking account. Next step is to give details to your employer. Now just provide these two numbers, your routing and your account number, to your HR or payroll department. Some companies let you set this up for yourself through an employee portal. Next is to choose deposit amounts. Now you can set up your entire paycheck to deposit into Lendingclub, or you can choose a split deposit, sending part of it to another bank. And the fifth step is to wait for the switch. Now it may take 1 to 2 pay cycles for the direct deposit to fully update. Just keep an eye on your Lendingclub account to confirm the first deposit arrives. And that's it. With direct deposit set up, your money goes straight into Lendingclub, faster, safer, and with no extra steps. In the next video, we're going to cover how to use Lendingclub's level up check-ins for your everyday spendings. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.